Firstly, every machine is a little different, so always check your sewing machine manual for the best guidance. Turn off or unplug your machine to avoid any injury. Pull the handle outwards to disengage it. Pull the spool pin up if it's not already in position. Place a spool of thread onto the spool pin so that the thread unwinds from the back. Pull the thread and pass it between the bobbin winder thread guide. Make sure the thread goes right between the discs, as this keeps the thread taut while winding. Take an empty bobbin and insert the thread through the hole in the bobbin from the inside to the outside. Whilst holding the end of the thread, place the bobbin onto the bobbin winder spindle, making sure to align the bobbin notch with the spindle rib. Keep hold of the thread and manually rotate the bobbin clockwise a few times to wind the thread on. This helps the thread grip before you start winding with the machine. Push the bobbin winder spindle from its left position to the right until it clicks into place. Switch the power back on. Hold the end of the thread and gently press the foot pedal. The thread will begin to wind onto the bobbin. After a few turns, stop the machine. Check that the thread is taut. If it looks loose or saggy, make sure the thread is properly positioned between the discs in the bobbin winder thread guide. If everything looks correct, use embroidery scissors to cut the excess thread close to the hole in the bobbin. Press the foot pedal again to continue filling up the bobbin. When the bobbin reaches the bobbin winder stopper, it means it's full, so immediately take your foot off the foot pedal. Use embroidery scissors to cut the thread loose. Push the bobbin winder spindle back from right to left until it clicks into place. Remove the bobbin and set aside carefully. Push the handwheel back inwards to return it to its normal position. Always use bobbins designed for your make and model of machine. Although they may look the same, they can be slightly different in size, and even small differences can cause stitching problems. For more sewing Bexpertise, I've linked helpful videos in the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe, and as always, happy sewing!